and welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, or just like to be with people who like to make things with joy, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. The hashtag Friday Sews was created by the Sew Creative group on Facebook. There is a group over there that you can join up with if you like to show what you've been working on and commiserate with other creators on this platform. So every week there's usually a forum topic in order to get us talking about what's been going on. But February is a free-for-all. You can talk about whatever you'd like to talk about. So I'd like to talk about new beginnings. So I've spent the past week going through putting away all of my pattern envelopes that I worked on last year, the ideas as well as the actual completed garment pattern envelopes. I took down my Christmas quilts. I put away everything, all the other stuff to have a fresh beginning. I don't know about you, but every once in a while you need to have a fresh start or a new beginning. So one of the great things about this new year is I made plans. I know what my 9 makes plans are. I kind of know an outline of the garments I'm going to make. Some things I'm going to make fill many categories in my 9 makes because I decided to make a 9 makes of categories rather than exact items. And I'm pretty pleased about how things have been coming along. So let me show you talk to you about what I've been working on this week. Okay, so first of all, I'm all out of tape because I have been splicing together my PDF patterns that have been languishing for a couple of years now, plus some new things. And I spliced those together and I started to get to work on some of these garments that have been out of sight and out of mind. So I've also been doing a designer dive, and I'm going to do a video about this designer. But Veronica Tucker is new to me. I don't know exactly how I came across her, but I have made 3 of her garments and 1 of her crafts. And so I completed doing major construction on them this week. So I'll show you what they look like. So the one I worked on this week is called the Freya blouse, tunic, and I guess dress. So I worked on the dress this week, and I'll, in my makes, of course, I'll go into detail. So I have this beautiful, I don't even know what to call it, but I've worked with this fabric before. I've worked with it in brown, which I'll show over here. I've worked with it in blue, which I'll show over here, and this is the green. So it is a beautiful dress with a keyhole. I've seen her wear it in the back and in the front, but what got me was these sleeves, these 1, 2, 3 layer sleeves. So in my makes video, I will model it and let you know. What I love about this is I bought this beautiful fabric at Ping's, in the blue and the brown, and I lined it in this beautiful stretch lace. I'm sure you can wear it reversible, but I just, I hate a facing. If I have to do a facing and I can get away with it, I'll do a reversible. So the color is so spring and beautiful. I don't know if I'll end up with this dress because it's very body forgiving, and I will show you it in full length over here. Okay, I hope you can get a better idea of how this dress is going to look. Hold on, let me get it a little lower. How about that? Okay. So I will model it. I'm looking for a beautiful catch for right here. I have seen the Veronica Taylor wear it with the keyhole in the front or in the back. So I like that versatility. I hope I've been saying Tucker all this time and not Taylor. Veronica Tucker. The label Veronica Tucker. Okay, so this is her handbag that she calls, hold on. So this is the Frankie bag, which can be made. This is the medium to large size. They have a small size, and I gathered up some of my scraps to make this messenger bag. It comes with a pocket, and these are fabrics from days gone by, but I really like it. It's really simple to make, and there's a tie so you can adjust it, and the small one is so cute. So I will show you a copy of the line drawing so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the line drawing. Here's an example of the small one. There's the medium, and here's a crossbody that I just showed you. It's a great scrap buster. It honestly is. I went back in my stash and found lots. I can't make the little one. Anyway, so that is what I was working on this week. A lot of organization, putting things back in their place. I've been sorting my fabric into types, going through things that are a little scattered, planning on my scrap makes, sorting everything out, and that makes me more productive. So that's what I've been working on. I don't have a haul this week because I'm trying, y'all. I'm really trying, but it probably just means my stuff is delayed in traffic. Anyway, I hope you're beginning to sew and make things. This is a real short one because of my reorganization. My daughter is going to paint my workshop for me when I'm at my sewing retreat, and so I'm trying to make it easier for her. So this is it. And I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I hope you get to sew. Take care, and we'll see you next Friday.